So how on earth does uranium stay together anyway? Well, it turns out there must be a very powerful, strong, attractive force gripping it together. And that is the force that contains all the energy that we are liberating in these things. So when a neutron hits uranium, it makes it wobble slightly. And what happens is that the uranium sort of wobbles. Imagine it forming like a dumbbell or like a dog's bone.
Okay.
Um, and normally, what people expected was that it would come back together again, just like surface tension. If you hit a drop of water very gently, it distends, but then surface tension pulls it back together again. Same thing they thought would happen with uranium. And then two further Jewish emigres, Lisa Meitner and Otto Frisch, the same Otto Frisch who later, with Piles, discovers the key thing about uranium 235 and the bomb. Meitner and Frisch had the insight that a uranium nucleus isn't quite like a liquid drop because of all this electrical charge there. That if you imagine this distended thing like the dog's bone, each end of the bone is positively charged. And so those two ends are being pushed apart like charges repel. And is there enough force there to split the thing in two? And they did the calculation, and yes, indeed, there is. And they then, from the calculation, realized that a vast amount of energy is released as well. Uh, a million times or more than had been released in anything previously for a single atom. And then the idea of could you make a chain reaction of these things happening sequentially very rapidly and liberating the energy exponentially fast and explosively?